Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to work with time in Excel. Excel treats time differently from other formats such as number, currency. So when entering time, you should let Excel know that it's in the right format. So here I'm capturing the number of hours worked. So in the start work and end work columns, you need to enter time. So in order to do that, you'll have to first format the cells and make them in the time format. So I'll select the two cells, cell right click, format cell, go to time. So under time you'll see there are various formats. You can select a particular location based on where you're located and the format you want. Here I'll keep it India. Coming to the type, there are various formats. I'll select this one, the short form of time followed by AM or PM. Say okay. So you need to enter time in a particular format such as 7 colon and then you have to say 00. So it has to be in this format. So when you enter time in the right format, it will automatically put the AM or PM. So in the end time, if you want to enter 5 PM, then you enter 1700. So it will automatically convert that into 5 PM. Now you can directly enter 5 PM or 6 PM. When you do that, make sure you enter a space between the time and AM or PM. For example, I can enter 5:30 and then I need to give a space and then PM. If you do not provide the space, Excel will not take it as a time format and it can lead to calculation error. Once you've entered the time and provided the correct format, you can format it differently if you wish. You can select from the various formats that are available. Like you can choose a different format if you wish. If I choose this, it will format it differently. So once you have entered the time, so let's say I want to calculate the number of hours worked. So in that case, I need to make sure that this column is also in the time format. So I'll go to format cells and select time. In this case, I'll select this format so that it does not show the AM or PM with it. I'll select is equal to and I'll say end time minus start time. I'll say enter. So it has calculated the hours worked. So I'll put time for the remaining days also, and now I'll calculate the hours worked for those days. I'll just drag down this. Since I put the formula, dragging it down will copy the formula to the other cells also. So this way you show the number of hours worked and do addition or subtraction based on the time. So this is how you format and work with time in Excel. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching the video.